Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check available app updates with Onn TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So if you have it on TV, head over to the home button or the home page or the apps page. You can go from there, go to quick settings. Under quick settings, you're going to look for all settings. There will be the button on the top right. After clicking on all settings, navigate down to where you find apps. Click on apps. You're going to go into it. You're going to navigate down to see all apps, use apps, and finally managed updates. This option you want, click on it and you're going to find these two options: auto update apps and the see available updates. See available updates is the option you want, and this is the page from where you could see all the apps that need to be updated. You could free up storage by deleting some apps, and you can see all the apps on this device. In this tutorial, I'll focus on this first option, and that's to update these apps. So you could see that if I click one button, with the click of just one button, I could update all the apps that have available updates. And that's easy, that's straight to the point. If you found value in this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.